Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to import your contacts into Signal using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Signal app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. You will see all your chats and the search bar at the top. Before doing anything, tap the Compose button, that's the little square with a pencil in the top right corner. If you already see a list of your contacts here, great. That means Signal already has permission and your contacts are imported. If you only see a few names or not at all, keep watching, we'll fix that. Exit Signal and open your iPhone settings app. Scroll down until you see Signal, then tap it. Inside the Signal setting, look for a switch called Contacts and turn it on. This is what allows Signal to read your phone's address book. Once this is turned on, Signal will automatically import every contact who also uses Signal. You don't need to upload anything. Signal handles it for you. Go back to the Signal app again, tap the Compass button, swipe down on the screen to refresh the list. Now you should see all your iPhone contacts who are on Signal, their names instead of just phone number, and new contacts appear automatically when they join. And that's it. That's how you import your contacts into Signal on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.